Hey guys, I'm Anu and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I am back with one more hair mask and today I am going to make aloe vera mask for your hair. So aloe vera is the most magical ingredient that you can put in your hair. Its high content of protein, vitamins and minerals help nourish your follicles and hair efficiently. The moisture content of aloe vera helps condition your hair, locking in nutrients and hydration. Aloe vera has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It also has proteolytic enzymes which helps in repairing dead skin cells on your scalp. It acts as a great conditioner which will leave your hair all smooth and shiny. The benefits of using aloe vera is that it reduces dandruff, prevents itching on the scalp, promotes hair growth and conditions your hair. We are also going to add castor oil in our hair mask. It is an excellent hair growth treatment that helps boost your hair growth and also adds volume to your hair. The oil along with aloe vera helps stimulate your hair regrowth and also curbs hair fall. So let's start to make our hair mask. So first we are going to cut this aloe vera and peel out the pulp inside it. So this is how we are going to cut it. First the sides of the aloe vera leaf. First make some random cuts on the leaf and then we will scoop out this gel using a spoon. Now we are going to blend it using a hand blender. This is the perfect consistency to apply on our hair. Now we are going to add castor oil in this. You can take aloe vera according to your hair length. I have taken this much because my hair length is long. Now according to it, I'll add this castor oil in it. 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Now I am going to apply this hair mask on my hair. I'll start with applying on my scalp all the way till my tips. So I have applied this mask on my hair. You can see this. So I'll keep this for an hour and then wash it using a mild shampoo. You can use it 2 to 3 times in a week for great results. Okay, so I washed my hair yesterday and it was late by the time it got dried up. So I am showing you my hair today. It feels so smooth. See, have a look. This is the simple hair mask that you can try at your home anytime, and it has natural ingredients in it and it works best for those who have dry and frizzy hair. Just try it out once and do let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.